and we see clearly, cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing Manoye,
we praise you, Lord. We praise you, Lord. We praise you, Lord. We praise you, Jehovah Almighty.
At this moment, shall we pray binding all evil forces on campus? Many are the devices in a man's heart, but the counsel of the Lord shall stand. Shall we pray? Come on, pray now. Jesus, in the mighty name of Jesus.
And we declare the anointing right now over every foul spirit on campus, every deceptive spirit of campus, in the mighty name of Jesus. Allah, Pate.
I want us to pray for Brother Petron who is not here today. I want us to pray that whatever it is that is taking him from the bosom of the Lord, that thing shall be lost in the name of Jesus. Shall we pray that he shall come back to the light of God in the name of Jesus? Come on, I pray. The gates of heaven open, and I saw the Lord on his throne. Yes, the Lord saying unto me, Sister, thou shalt not worry. The jumpers will come. The jumpers will come back to us. Therefore, shall we pray to thank the Lord because what we have asked him. What we have asked him, he has done.
Hello. How are you?
Thank you. I've been here for the past hour. Are you just coming?
Yeah. Tracking some pharmacology tests.
Oh, okay. I'm doing some learning myself.
That's my girl. Try. Keep it up. I'll see you around.
All the best. Thank you.
See you.
Wait. How do you fancy a dinner with banku and okra stew adorned with crabs, really?
Wow, I would love that. But how do you intend to effect that magic on campus?
Have you forgotten I live on campus? I rather hope you don't mind dinner at my house.
Sure. And that will give me a fine opportunity to meet that wonderful woman. I mean your mother.
But then, 7 o'clock. I'll see you.
All right.
Bye. Hope don't hide, huh? Hey, I can't no get one pay.
Sing Manoye, Intishazi, Colia Nohi, Ewa Kasemo, Tesuku, Maza, Yisuku, Kaba, Sun City.
Come in.
Sun City. Sun City. shine your light.
Good morning, madam.
Hello. Please sit down.
Thank you very much.
Impressive. Very impressive. I've just been reading your assignment. Very well researched and thought out.
Thank you very much, madam.
I think you do well in the world of academia and research. I've been following your test script with interest, and I'm going to recommend that the university pursue a scholarship for you to do your master's and doctorate, with the tacit understanding that you would come back to serve. Deal?
Oh, yes, deal.
Good. Keep it up. I'll be in touch.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for having confidence in me. I won't let you down.
Don't mention it.
Thank you.
Yes. Hello. Ninoy. Hello. Please sit.
What did you do to that poor girl?
Which poor girl?
The one who just walked out of your office.
Oh, Amelia Robertson. I told her she deserves a scholarship and that I'd actively work to secure her one.
I see. No wonder she's so happy. You know, Sylvester also gave her high marks. Well, it's a good thing you're actually seeking out for such talents. Kudos to you. You're a gem and you know that.
We try.
Not like others.
Come again?
Look, I am tired. I am tired with these old folks in my department. Don't be surprised if I jump ship.
What has sparked of this?
Can you imagine? Can you just believe this? That Professor Tete wants to take my office. I mean, he says the office available is much smaller than mine. And since he is much, much senior, we should be made to switch. Can you just believe this?
What has happened to his office?
When he left, his office was given to the visiting professor from Yale University.
And what are you going to do about it?
Take my office, of course. I mean, there is no way, absolutely no way I am going to allow Professor Tete to bully me around. No way. I mean, now this way, he may just prod them on to just let me go do my doctorate, don't you think?
Good tactic.
Yeah, but then if I get tired, I will just enter the job market. After all, I've been given so many offers already.
Hey, don't let those guys push you to make any hasty decisions.
Oh no, I won't be hasty. Look, I've been thinking about this in a long, long time.
Come in.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Miss Brew, the class is ready.
Right, I'll be there in a minute.
Thank you.
I think I must be going. I also have a lecture. We'll talk about this later, eh?
Yeah. Don't forget. We have to talk about your future.
Oh, my future, huh? Yes, Mom.
Mom?
The light lit the park and we see clearly, cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City.
Kwejo,
Hey, Sister Nicola.
have you had enough?
It's all here. I have a lecture in 30 minutes. Have you closed for the day?
Yeah, by the grace of God. But I will be spending 2 hours in the library.
Oh, well then. Have a blessed study period.
Thanks.
See you.
Yeah. Excuse me, Kojo. Have you thought over your decision not to contest for the SU vice presidency?
Sister Nicola, there she goes. Again, I think we've gone over this ground already. I've told you my time commitment will not allow me a space even to take on that onerous responsibility.
You don't have time for God, but you have time for other things.
Do you take my stepping down as SU vice president to mean that I'm abandoning God? No. I have served my term of office. All I'm saying is, let somebody else assume that responsibility. What is wrong with that?
Everybody is talking about Chocho and Kojo Amponsah. SU vice president. Or is it ex-vice president? Cavorting with that freak?
Let's not be judgmental, sister. Besides, God loves all his children. And I, Kojo Amponsah, will not ponder to the mechanization of other people's mind. It is my personal commitment with God that is the most important.
Kojo, you know it's because I'm concerned about you that I'm talking this way. You have to come back to God.
Let's talk later. I've got to run. God bless you. See you.
Spirit Santo.
Seen with my own eyes. I have seen worse. You should see the two of them hugging. Only God knows what they do behind closed doors.
Lord have mercy. Not Kojo Amponsah. Of all people I thought could backslide, he was the last.
You can't say that and say it again. I'm a bit shocked. The devil is a trickster and a deceiver. We have to do something about this.
I think the executives must meet on this one as soon as possible. Not only is Brother Amponsah losing his grace, but also he's putting the morals of the entire SC membership into question.
That's why we must do something about this. Sister Nicola will be devastated.
Devastated? Why?
Haven't you heard? No. Hey, she's been praying about Kojo. She's been having visions.
Visions like what? That she and Brother Amponsah will eventually...
Not that kind of vision. Not that kind of vision.
Hallelujah. Then we have to help her in prayer.
Just look at that. Just look at that.
The light licks the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City.
You let's come to the look here. Charlie, guys, you know, she said Dr. Agri the first one. It be shock. Oh, it be finance minister material, you know, see.
My friend, there is a big difference between lecturing in the classroom and being the finance minister of Ghana, right?
All that Kwame is trying to say, the guy has got the fundamentals, sure. Right? I mean, look at how he handles macroeconomics. Shit, man.
Charlie, to be frank, me I no sit up.
It's easy. I mean, it's just logical reasoning, that's all. Malo!
Check this out. His latest assignment. Explain the effect of the lowering of interest rates on the average man.
This is simple, Malo. First, what is interest rate? Basically, it is the price of money. Now let's ask ourselves, how much does the banks and financial institutions charge their customers for lending money? If the interest rate is low, it means it's less costly to borrow money. And what does that imply? It means we can set up more business, companies, expand them, have more productive companies, right? Now, how does this affect the common man? One, we have a lot of people being employed. Two, salaries go high because of expanded business and proficient work, right? Now, three, companies can pay more taxes to government, right? Because of profit made. Now the government can use these taxes to set up projects, developmental projects, etc., etc., etc. Of course, you have to do some research and beef it up a little. You get me right?
Cremosi, I've been too much.
What's the word?
Mon person you play plus. Oh, he did form kake. Me and you will go parliament.
Charlie, I will come your room.
Right, Charlie, brother man. No problem.
A cup of coffee.
There you are.
Hey, Massa. Caricatures. Freshest they come.
Who be this?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Watch that.
Charlie, the guy, he come prepared.
He looks kind of family, you know, kind of familiar. You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Like Jonathan Jebler.
Oh.
Maybe a reincarnation.
The guy, he died or something. Man, I love your style.
Thank you. Were you talking about my brother, Jonathan?
Jonathan Jebler, your brother?
Yes. The alphabetical construction of my human dignity is Timothy Jebler. Okoton one, man. No wonder he has that nerve.
And you have come to replace Jonathan, I'm sure. All right. What course are you offering?
Political science, economics, and geography. Jonathan is a pure scientist. But more importantly, I'd like to go deep into the human condition. With my pivot, you can call me a philosopher or sociology. Do know, just like in Bruno. Look here, fresher. You know, we can't sit here and talk freely plus really like that. Too. You are lucky. Gone are those days. Oh, like we go cut you water right now. Oh, I beg your pardon. Do you know you have caused an abomination? Drinking Nescafe with tea bread and what? Pear. How?
Charlie, make the guy full freeze.
I thought this was a free country with a complement of free movement.
Have you also heard that your freedom ends at where somebody else's nose begins?
No, I don't think I have crossed any barriers here. In fact, it is you who are on the verge of crossing that forbidden barrier, becoming seriously verbally abusive and exhibiting signs of strong intimidation, dreadful threat, and aggressive behavior. You very close to committing a devilish crime the world will never forgive.
That's it.
Some doggo.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
This is good food. One of my favorites. Mom, I like your cooking.
Thank you. I'm so relieved. She told me you wanted a banco and tilapia. And I thought we should keep that for a very special day. Okay? Anyway, the person you should be commending really is Chuchu. She did the stew. All I did was boil the yam.
Who should be commended, the teacher or the student? Therein lies the dilemma, you know. Anyway.
So what pushed you into medicine, Kojo, if I may ask?
Several factors, ma'am. But the overriding one was the fact that doctors are in great demand at the moment. And I feel I could withstand the sacrifices needed in that career.
May your fortitude remain forever. I hope, though, that you are not lured away too soon.
Never. Not at all. Even if I will travel out of the country at all, it will be purely academic or professional consideration. I feel my calling is right here. And there is more work to be done here in the country. The problem we have here is a systemic one. The nurses are going. Our teachers, the best brains, are all leaving. And if everybody jumps ship, who will ever solve it?
Bravo! Spoken like a true patriot.
Yeah.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
So this is what I'm saying. Let's face the issue once and for all.
No, I disagree with you.
You see, if we keep on doing this, then we'll not arrive. No. Brother Aponsa, my sixth sense tells me there's nothing wrong. But in the light of the emerging facts, I'm confused.
That is why I say we must confront him and bring him back to his senses.
I know Kojo to have some liberal tendencies, but
you should have seen him with your own naked eyes.
I personally do not exceed the bounds of etiquette in such matters.
Etiquette? Oh, Jesus. Are you thinking about niceties when a brother is sleeping so fast?
Brother Muhammad, you know I have always stood with you concerning Kojo's alleged liaison. However, the momentum it has gathered presently demands a remedy of a sort. Are you sure we have the right to such intrusion of his personal dealings?
Maybe we should continue praying over it.
Prayer, yes. But prayer must precede action. God helps those who help themselves.
Okay, comrades. Let's pray for strength.
It's so interesting. It's a shame I'm not going back with you. I'd have enjoyed the walk.
Why aren't you coming?
I think I'll sleep at home tonight. I'll come to school early tomorrow.
Behaving like Mama Ba.
That's not it, Kojo. My dad is on sabbatical leave. That leaves my mom at home most of the time. I like to fill in now and then.
That's thoughtful of you.
Yeah.
Anyway, your mom is a lucky woman. Not the same. Thanks for the pleasant meal. I wish to say you are a real darling.
You're welcome.
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light.